Hello everyone, in this section I'll be showing you how to use absolute referencing to solve a data problem in Excel. The concept of you creating absolute referencing is just you locking a particular cell by putting your $ in front of the row and column. So for instance, you are given this data by your line manager for you to look at for the total sales. If we look at this data, we have the sales value, but we are not given discount, the value of discount and total value, but we were given the discount rate, which is 20%. So the reason why we have to use absolute referencing for this to solve this data problem is because this 20% discount given, we have to lock it because we have to apply this 20% all through the month. So that is why we have to lock it. Because if we don't lock it, whenever we drag our formula from one cell to another, then this 20% it will shift from this cell down to an empty cell. So which the other result will be giving us error. So that's why we just need to lock this 20% discount. We have to lock it in this particular cell so that it will move out from this 20% this cell. So that is why we have to lock it. So let me just quickly show you how to do that. So the formula to calculate our discount is just you multiplying sales value times the percentage given for the discount, which is 20%. So which I'll be showing you now. We have to enter our equal sign first. Then we have to reference our cell, which is the sales for January, these times. So multiply by this 20% now. So don't forget that we need to lock this particular cell. By you doing that, you just have to, depending on your laptop keyboard, so you have to press your F4 or Fn plus F4. So now, after pressing it, the $ will pop up in front of the row and the column. The alphabet H show the column, while the 2 is our row. Because look at it, this 20% is on our row H column. On which row? On row 2. Look at it, 2. So that's why it's showing that. So this is the formula to get our discount amount. So by we pressing enter, now we got our discount amount. So to make it more easier for us, we just need to drag it down to get other month here. Now we got our other month value for discount. Let's confirm if the formula we have applied is correct for the other months. Let's check for the February. Let's check the discount amount if it is correct or not. Can you see? Check our formula here is B4 times H2. B4 times H2. Our sales is on what? On row 4, which is our sales is on B column and row 4. That's why it's showing B4 and H2. Don't forget that we already locked this H2. So it will be locked, it will be permanent because we are applying this 20% across all the months. That's why we have to lock it. So which means that what our formula is correct, is very, very correct. So now for us to get the total value now, we just need to deduct discount value from the sales value. So this is a simple way of doing that. Don't forget our equal sign first. Then reference the cell, the sales minus what? The discount value now. Minus discount value. So now we can press our enter. Now we have got our total value for January. Then what next? We just have to drag the value so that we can copy we can apply the same formula across the other months for us to get the total value for other months. So here we go. Now we have gotten our results. So this is just a simple way of you applying absolute referencing to solve this kind of data in case you were given this kind of data in your organization, or maybe your boss at work gave you to look out for this kind of value. So this is a way for you to go about it. So In case you missed my last lesson on relative referencing, you can quickly go to my page to have a look. And don't forget to like, share, and keep following for more updates.